Today's dish, Parmesan garlic chicken pasta in the slow cooker. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. The full recipe will be available in the description. Now we're going to start to get our mise en place together. First, cutting our onions and then prepping our chicken. All right, now today's chicken, we're doing about 2.5 pounds of chicken on this dish. It is boneless and skinless, so we're not going to waste any protein at least. Yeah, I do just want to cut off a little bit of fat on these. I also like using a separate cutting board when I'm doing raw beef or chicken. Use a simple fork and just tenderize our chicken really quickly. Just going right through it like so. I'm a big fan of the Kinder's blend. It's salt, pepper, and garlic. I think it tastes great on chicken or beef. And that's what we're gonna be using today just to season this. We wanna make sure we get both sides and make sure the lid's open. If the lid's closed like that, it's not gonna work. Get it in and around where we need it. I mean, the sauce is really gonna be the dominant flavor in this dish. The seasonings you'll taste, but not nearly as much as that sauce. All right, we're gonna start with 2 pounds of chicken. The star of the dish, this is the Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic, and it is delicious. Now we're gonna add our fat-free milk to the bottle, shake it up, make sure we get that sauce out, and go ahead and dump it right back in. Then you wanna add your 4 ounces of chicken broth. Next up is our 1 diced onion. And we're just gonna come in with our little included, I'm not sure what you'd call this thing. It's nice because it doesn't scratch anything. We just wanna mix that sauce together. Make sure that chicken is all nice and flat in there so it'll cook nice and evenly. And we will be shredding our chicken. Our Parmesan cheese. So have our block of cream cheese. It's probably... Okay, so now we have a little bit of a mess, but that's a great thing about the slow cooker is you can just kind of set it and forget it. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess, try and hit the gym, and I'll check back in when this is further along. Will it be a hit or a miss? Let's find out. A great time to just shred up your chicken. I'm just using this meat smasher, but this smells delicious. I just want to make sure everything's nice and mixed together. Make sure we broke that chicken down enough. We may have to use it one more time on some of these bigger chunks. And our water is almost boiling, and before it starts to boil, I'm going to add in some salt. About a 3-finger pinch is about a tablespoon. I'm going to do 2 of those. This is our protein pasta we'll be using today. Says 8 to 10 minutes equals al dente perfection. And that's can't be accurate because that's a tough range in there. We're gonna aim for 8 since we are using our slow cooker. I'm gonna keep it simple and just microwave this broccoli and we'll add it in right at the end. All right, we're gonna take another look at our chicken. Our pasta is down. This is really coming together beautifully, and it smells amazing. We're gonna add in our pasta. Now it's time to add in our fresh broccoli. We did microwave it for a few minutes, and that's how it should look. Only a few minutes left, and we should be in good shape to portion. Okay, this is my final dish. I was able to make 6 bowls total. Full macros and recipe will be in the description. Now for the best part. This dish tastes great. Creamy, cheesy, garlicky, and all I had to do was put it in the slow cooker and go about my day. That's a hit. Now let me know in the comments if you think this dish is a hit or a miss.